What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Nissan Kicks Smart Key Remote Fob. This Nissan Kicks key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using to change this battery is a small flathead screwdriver. So the first thing we want to do is grab our key fob and we're going to remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this release on the back that my thumb's on, and the emergency key will slide out like that, and we can just set that to the side. Now if we grab our screwdriver and we hold the key fob with the buttons facing down and we take a look at the bottom of it, there's these two kind of small gaps right in here between this silver piece and this black plastic. There's another one over here, and I don't know if you can see it, but there's actually a little arrow pointing to them too. What I'm going to do is put my screwdriver in that space like that, and then I'm just going to twist it. Come over here, same thing, put the screwdriver in that, and then just twist the screwdriver, and as I do that you can see it starts popping the shell apart. I'm just going to take my screwdriver and just kind of carefully and slowly work my way around like that. And then once you get it far enough apart, you can go ahead and pull it the rest of the way apart with your hands like that. And in the back half of the case, we see the battery right here. I'm going to use my screwdriver just to get under the edge of it and get it out of that holder. Then I'll grab the new battery, and I want to make sure that I'm installing that with the plus side down, like that. Snap it into place in that holder, and then we can go ahead and snap the two halves back together. Slide the emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.